Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to explain you these four basic concepts to you. So first of all, we will be discussing if-else loop in a Python. In the second, we will be discussing for loop. And in the third, we will be discussing for with else loop. So this is a special case I'm going to explain you in this video. In the last, we will be discussing logic to check a prime number in a Python. So let's discuss the example.
Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to explain some basic concept of the Python. So here we are taking the input from the user, we are also using if loop, we are using for loop, then we are also using else. So how we can use that in a Python, I'm going to tell you in this program. So this program is about to check a number is prime number or not. So in this line, I have taken the input from the user. And after taking this input, I am converting this input to the integer format. Then I have written an if loop where I am checking if number is greater than 1 or not. If it is not 1, then it will go for the else loop. So this is how we can write if and else loop in a Python. So another thing is I have written here is for loop. So this is how we can write a for loop in a Python. So we can use in range function in a Python, like in a range function in a Python, and in is a keyword in a Python. So here I am declaring for I in range of 2 to num. So whatever number you will be inserting, the range will be considered as a 2 from 2 to that number. So if we consider number as a 10, so the range will be like 2 to 10, and the I will be get iterated from 2 to 10. So another condition I have written here, like if number is divisible by I and the answer is 0, if the answer of that operation is 0, then this number will not be considered as a prime. So I have given the message here, the given number is not a prime number. And also I have written like whatever times I is divisible by the number. So this is the how we have written the prime to check a prime number or not. And here also one of the very important concept in a Python, I have written else for this for loop. So this else loop will get executed if the loop is not terminated by a break statement. So if the above for loop is not terminated by this break statement, then and then only this else loop will get executed. So that's why if it doesn't go inside this and it doesn't break the loop, then and then only we are going to print this number is a prime number. So let's run this program and see how is the result. So if I insert 3, so it is giving me as a given number is a prime number. So let's consider I insert a 20 as input. So it is saying that given number is not a prime number. So 2 times 10 is 20. So if we are the 20 is divisible by 10. So that's why we 20 is not be considered as a prime number. So this is how we can check the number is prime or not in a Python. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.